Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This time I wanna introduce one of the best libraries for EEPROM Emulation. For the first time this library has been published by NEMA and I improved the library with minor changes. Now the edited library is available on my GitHub page and the link is below. To start using this library you need to add some header file to your project. Easily copy them and paste in your project in Cube IDE. In first step, open config file and e.c file. Some part number of STM32 is defined here. You need to find sector and RAM byte of your EEPROM. You need to find maximum sectors and RAM bytes of your microcontroller. In my case, I use F0 series, and as you can see, the maximum amount for EE size is 1024, and you can't exceed from this value. Also for sectors is 31, and also you can't exceed from this value. Also for another family like this, the E size is 2048 and the sector size can be defined as 127. Alright, this is done and let's continue coding. Include ee.h file and let's initialize EEPROM library. Write EE underline and hold space with Ctrl and let's see what the compiler offers for us. Before continuing coding, it's better to say that in my project, a number of variables are taken from the keypad and these variables must be stored in the EEPROM space. The key point here, the type of variables should be static and my three variables are like this: power, height, and current case. Write function takes two parameters. The first parameter is virtual address and I given 0 for my data. My first data is power and it should be cast to 8-bit integer type and also pointer to the address of my data. To commit written data to the EEPROM space, you should use this function, ee_commit. Already I'm writing everything I want, and it's all for show. So I clear them, and in next step I'll show you how to use the read function. As you can see, the read function is just like writing function, and it's very easy to use. Let's debug the microcontroller, and in LCD screen I show you the result of this code.